Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to customize your Shopify checkout page using the latest Shopify admin. A well-designed checkout can improve your customers' shopping experience, reinforce your brand, and even help increase completed purchases. I'll walk you through where to find the checkout editor, what you can customize, and the key settings you should review. Let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're on the main screen, look toward the bottom left corner and click Settings. This is where Shopify stores all of your global store configuration options. Inside the Settings menu, locate Checkout. Depending on your Shopify plan and the current Shopify interface, you may also see options related to checkout and accounts. Click this section to open your checkout settings. From here, select Customize Checkout. Shopify will launch the Checkout Editor, which allows you to preview your checkout page while making changes in real time. If your plan supports advanced checkout customization, you'll have access to additional editing tools and blocks. The first thing you can customize is the overall checkout layout. Shopify lets eligible stores choose between different checkout experiences depending on the available features. Review the available layouts and select the one that best fits your brand and customer journey. Next, customize your store's branding. You can update your logo, colors, typography, and background so the checkout page matches the rest of your storefront. Keeping your branding consistent helps build trust and gives customers a more professional experience throughout the purchase process. You can also modify the order summary section. Depending on the available customization options, you may be able to adjust how product information, discounts, shipping details, and totals are displayed. Make sure everything is clear and easy to read before publishing your changes. Now review your customer information settings. Decide which fields should be required during checkout. For example, you can configure whether certain contact information is mandatory and whether customers can opt in to receive marketing emails or SMS updates. Reducing unnecessary fields can make checkout faster while still collecting the information your business needs. Continue scrolling through the checkout settings to review additional options. You'll find settings related to abandoned checkouts, customer accounts, post-purchase experiences, and other checkout preferences. Take a few minutes to review each section so your checkout matches your business requirements. If you want even more functionality, open the Apps section within the Checkout Editor. Shopify's App Store offers checkout extensions that can add features such as order tracking, product recommendations, customer reviews, delivery options, loyalty programs, upsells, and much more. Before installing any app, review its ratings, pricing, and compatibility with your current Shopify plan. After making your changes, preview the checkout carefully. Navigate through each step as if you were a customer, confirm that your branding looks correct, required fields behave as expected, and the overall experience is smooth on both desktop and mobile devices. If everything looks good, click Save to publish your changes. It's always a good idea to place a test order afterward to verify that the checkout process works correctly from start to finish, and that customers can complete purchases without any issues. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to customize your Shopify checkout page. By reviewing your layout, branding, customer information, and checkout settings, you can create a smoother purchasing experience for your customers while keeping your store looking professional. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other Shopify tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.